Good day everyone, this is CE Solves and ito yung natin ngayon, problem natin na related siya sa exact equation. So, una natin gawin is prove natin yung exactness nitong equation na to. So, identify natin yung m, which is ito, kasi siya yung katabi ng dx, tapos ito yung n naman natin, which is yung katabi ng dy. So, let's start from that. I-differentiate natin yung m in terms of y. So, d over dy, tapos copy natin yung m, 1 plus y squared plus xy squared. So, differentiate natin, constant, magiging 0 plus y squared is 2y plus, copy natin yung constant x kasi differentiating tayo in terms of y. So, magiging x, differentiate natin yung y squared is 2y. So, 2xy. 2xy. So, magiging siyang 2y plus 2xy. So, next natin hanapin is yung differentiation ng n in terms of x. So, d over dx, tapos copy natin yung n. So, x squared y plus 2xy. Sunod is, copy natin tong constant y kasi in terms of x naman tayo nag-differentiate. So, copy natin constant y. Differentiate natin x squared, magiging 2x plus constant y is differentiation nan kasi constant siya kaya 0 nan. Plus, copy ulit natin yung y kasi constant siya. Tapos, yung 2 din, constant. And differentiation ng x is 1. So, times 1. So, simplify natin, magiging 2y plus 2xy. So, tignan natin yung dalawa. Dapat, para masabing exact natin, is dapat differentiation ng m in terms of y is equal to differentiation ng n in terms of x. So, kung papansin natin, 2y plus 2xy is equal to 2y plus 2xy. So, equals yung dalawa. Therefore, this equation is exact. So, yan. Na-prove na natin yung exactness natin. Kaya, ang next natin gawin is, gawin natin yung procedures sa pag-solve ng exact equation. So, pili tayo sa dalawa, either m or n, na i-differentiate. So, ito na lang ipiliin natin. So, may follow natin yung rules na df over dx is equal to m and df over dy is equal to n. So, since ito yung pinili natin, yung m, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, copy natin, df is equal to m. M is ito, surat na natin. So, 1 plus y squared plus xy squared. Dx, multiply natin sa m. So, dx. Next natin gawin is integrate natin both sides. Integrate both sides. Both sides. Para mahanap natin yung f to get f. So, magiging siyang f is equal to dx. Differentiate natin ng 1. Magiging siyang x. Plus, since y is a constant here in this case kasi dx tayo in terms na nag-integrate, so magiging y squared x plus y squared is constant, again, copy lang natin. X is magiging siyang x squared over 2. So, simplify natin. Ay, wala naman na pwedeng ma-simplify. So, yan na yun. Ayusin ko lang to kasi parang nakakalito. So, y squared x plus yung constant c, which is in this case, represent natin in terms of t of y. So, next natin gawin is df over dy tayo. Meaning, differentiate natin to. Differentiate in terms of y. Para ma-equate natin siya sa df over dy, which is n dito. So, para may makancel tayo. And makuha natin yung value ng constant natin, which is later on, we're gonna solve. So, differentiate natin to in terms of y, magiging ito constant. So, differentiation ng constant is 0 kasi y yung in-integrate natin. So, copy natin dito yung constant, x, y squared, differentiation is 2y, plus, copy natin yung constant 1/2, which is ito. So, yan, 1/2. X squared is a constant again. Tapos, differentiation nito is 2y, kasi y squared. Next na gawin natin is, ito naman, differentiate natin. Magiging siyang dt of y or over dy. Or we can just state this as t prime of y para shortcut. So, pag nasanay na kayo, ganun yung gawin ninyo. Next is simplify na natin. So magiging siyang df over dy is equal to 2xy. Makakancel tong 2 times 2 over 2, magiging 1. So, cancel na. Plus x squared y. Plus, sulat na lang natin ito as that. So, t prime of y. Ngayon is, nahanap na natin yung df over dy natin. Which is, may pwede tayong equate dyan na n. So, equate natin siya. Magiging siyang, copy natin tong n. So, n is equal to x squared y plus 2xy. Copy natin tong na-solve na natin df over dy. Tong df over dy na to. So, equate natin. 2xy plus x squared y plus t prime of y. So, may similar dito which is x squared y tapos 2xy. Meaning, makakancel na sila kasi x squared y minus x squared y kasi may equal dito. So, pag nilipat, magiging negative yung isa. Tapos, ito rin magiging negative. Kaya, makakancel na. Magiging 0 na sila. So, therefore, t prime of y is equal to y. So, next natin gawin is hanapin natin yung t of y lang, hindi t prime of y. So, gawin natin is integrate natin both sides. Magiging siyang t of y is equal to, this is y, magiging y squared over 2. So, mahanap na natin yung t prime of y. So, substitute natin siya sa f, which is ito. So, substitute natin siya. Tapos, note natin na f would be equal to c. And, papalitan natin to. So, sulat natin siya. Magiging f is, wag na naman, start tayo sa x. So, x plus y squared xy squared na lang. Xy squared plus 1/2 x squared y squared, 1/2 x squared y squared plus t of y plus t of y, which is 1/2 y squared is equal to c. So, isag ko lang to dito kasi wala nang space. So, yan. So, check natin kung tama ba yung sagot natin. Pwede naman, ang gawin natin is multiply natin both sides by 2 para mawala yung natin, yung fractions natin. So, multiply by 2, magiging siyang 2x plus 2xy squared plus x squared y squared plus y squared is equal to c. Tapos, kung papansin natin is, meron sa kanilang common na y squared, which is ito. So, simplify, ilabas natin siya. So, magiging 2x plus y squared times 2x plus x squared. So, x squared plus 2x. X squared plus 2x plus 1 is equal to c. So, pwede natin siya i-represent in terms of, yung square. So, pwede natin maging 2x plus y squared times, kaya yung pwede natin dito? So, x plus 1. So, x plus 1 squared. Kasi, ito yung magiging kalabasan niya. So, x plus 1 squared is equal to c. So, yan na yung final answer natin.